अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं पढ़ने जा रहे हैं मेथड्स ऑफ सोविंग। Sowing and methods of sowing. Sowing or seeding is an art of placing seeds in the soil to have good germination in the field. A perfect seeding gives correct amount of seed per unit area, correct depth at which seed is placed in the soil, and correct spacing between row to row and plant to plant. There are different methods of sowing such as broadcasting, dibbling, drilling, seed drooping behind the plow, transplanting, heel drooping, and chakra planting. Broadcasting is the process of random scattering of seed on the surface of seed beds. It can be done manually or mechanically. Both when broadcast is done manually, uniformity of seed depends upon skill of the man. Soon after broadcasting, the seeds are covered by splanking or some other devices. Usually, higher seed rate is obtained in this system. Mechanical broadcasters are used for large scale work. This machine scatters the seed on the surface of the seed bed at controlled rates. Dibbling. Dibbling is the process of placing seeds in holes made in seed bed and covering them. In this method, seeds are placed in holes made at definite depth at fixed spacing. The equipment used for dibbling is called dibbler. It is an conical instrument used to make proper holes in the field. Small hand dibblers are made with several conical projections made in frame. This is very time consuming process, so it is not suitable for small seeds. Most vegetables are sown in this way. Drilling consists of dropping the seed in the furrow lines in a continuous flow and covering them with soil. Seed metering may be done either manually or mechanically. The number of rows planted may be one or more. This method is very helpful in achieving proper depth, proper spacing, and proper amount of seed to be sown in the field. Drilling can be done sowing behind the plow, block drawn seed drills, tractor drawn seed drills. Seed drooping behind the plow. It's very common method used to villages and use it for seed like maize, gram, peas, wheat, and barley. A man drops seed in the furrow behind the plow. Sowing behind the plow can be done by a device known as malo bansa. It consists of bamboo tube provided with a funnel-shaped mouth. One man drops the seed through the funnel and other man handles the plow and the blocks. This is shallow and lab-based method. Transplanting consists of preparing seedlings in nursery and then planting these seedlings in the prepared field. It is commonly done for vegetables and flowers. It is very time consuming operation. Equipment are placing plants in the soil called transplanter. Hill drooping. In this method, seeds are drooped at fixed spacing and not in a continuous stream. The spacing between plant to plant in a row is constant. In case drills, the seeds are drooped in continuous streams and the spacing between plant to plant in a row is not constant. Chuck row planting. In this method of planting in which row to row and plant to plant distance is uniform. In this method, seeds are planted precisely, also straight, parallel furrows. The rows were always in two perpendicular directions. A machine used for chuck rowing is called chuck row planter. Thank you, students. Assalamu alaikum.